Hato pi Khuslai jingmot ma Phim yo Khun ka Dr. Dipti Goswami na Apollo Fertility Center kan sadon na ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Lower Nongrim Hills Shillong ban sumar hiki shijur hagi kan japet nongpang haga khat atrik unai lur arachar posan nadu kapor khat arbije mensngi hadu kapor arbije no paisngi Lada pikwa ban book ek appointment pilap ban telephone dan issue WhatsApp how no number kandai saw prasan like kandai nyo lai ma pila ru ban book online appointment haku website www.apollotrinityshalong.com Nagbenda ko home collection ru pilap ban phone how no number kandai saw prasan like kandai nyo lai
Hello, I'm Dr. Dipti Goswami from Apollo Fertility Center. And I'm very happy and excited that I'm coming to your city, Shillong, on 12th of September at Apollo Trinity Center. So we'll be there from 12 to 2 o'clock. So any couple who are finding it difficult to conceive or there have been IVF failure in other centers, they can come to us and they can seek advice. And also those couples who do not want to start their pregnancy now, they want to freeze their eggs, they can also come to our center and they can have proper advice so that we can guide you. So we are there and we are very happy to meet you all on 12th of September. Please do come and seek necessary advice regarding your fertility. Thank you very much.